Let's unbox Scorch Marker's official butterfly stencil set. There are 24 butterfly stencils included in this set, all pre-weeded out of premium vinyl with transfer paper applied. We even took the time to put our branding on the back with some perforations to make them easy to tear away. Don't forget the directions included on the top in the back. Let's open up this package so I can show you how effective these stencils are. We're going to grab a corner and open it up on the long edge of the package. Then we're going to remove our designs. We'll start with the bottom one here and then go with the top one. Beautiful. I really like these designs. I really like this one in the top right. Let's tear it away at the perforation. Wow, that comes off really easily. That was great. As you can see, there's a shiny layer on top. That's the transfer paper. Let's start by removing the white backing. And when removing the backing, it's best to roll it down with your thumb like this so that the stencil stays adhered to the transfer paper. Man, that was easy. Now all that's left is the stencil itself and the clear transfer paper. Let's grab a wood slice and test it out. We're going to put it just right down here. Once you have the sticky side of the stencil applied, press down firmly from the inside out to the edges. This way we don't get any wrinkles. Once you have your stencil applied, you can remove the transfer paper. Grab a corner and start peeling it back just like this. Perfect. Now we have a stencil applied to the wood. I just can't get over how effective these stencils are. You can fill this in with any medium you like, but we prefer to use a scorch marker. Once your design is complete, go ahead and remove the stencil and you're done. Now these are designed to be one-time use, but I think we might be able to get another use out of this one. And there you have it. The official Scorch Marker butterfly designs. We hope you'll send us your creations so we can feature you on our website, social media, or maybe even Crafter of the Week or Crafter of the Month. Happy crafting.